So how it works is that there are these 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So let me define a new random variable xi. Right. So a random variable xi. This is basically a random variable which takes a value 1 if ith position is a woman who is sitting next to a man. And it takes a value of 0 otherwise. So this is your random variable xi. So I'm basically saying that this is your random variable x1, this is x2, x3 and so on till x10. Alright. So what I am interested in is total number of women who are sitting next to man. Right, so total number of women who are sitting next to man. So if I define these particular random variables, so this is basically equal to summation xi. So now expected number of women who sit next to man is going to be equal to expected value of summation xi, which by the property of expectation is nothing but summation expectation of xi. Okay. Now notice that each xi is a Bernoulli random variable. It takes values 0 and 1. Okay, so each xi is a Bernoulli random variable. So each xi is a Bernoulli random variable. So expectation of xi is basically probability that xi is equals to 1. So this is all I need to worry about. Okay. So let's focus on expectation of x1. So this is going to be probability that x1 is equals to 1. So when is x1 going to be equal to 1? So x1 will be equal to 1 when ith position is basically filled by a woman. We have a woman here and we have a man here. Okay, so woman is followed by a man. So this is going to be equal to probability that the first position is filled by woman. So first position, so there are 5 men and 5 women. So the first position will be filled by a woman. That probability is 5 by 10. So any of these 5 women out of the total 10 people comes and sits in the first chair. Multiplied by, okay, so this x1 becomes equal to 1 when you have a distribution of the format woman, man followed by 8 different other people, right? So this is basically probability that there is women in 1 into probability that man in 2 followed by whatever you want. Now woman sits in the first chair, that probability is 5 by 10. So any of the 5 women out of 10 people can sit. Now man in the second chair, given that woman is in the first chair, will be 5 by 9, because you see now there are no longer 10 people available because one of the women has already sat in the first position, right? So there are only 9 total people available. So this is going to be equal to what? 5 by 18. So you can write that 5 by 18. So this is equals to 5 by 18. Similarly, expectation of x10 will also be equal to probability of ... man woman. So that will also be equal to 5 by 18. Now we have to find probability xi equals to 1 for I belonging to 2 to 9. So one of these I values need to be equal to 1. So this will be of the format, so this is basically 1 minus probability that xi is equals to 0, right? Because this is a Bernoulli distribution, so it can only take values 0 and 1. So this is 1 minus probability that ith position is a man. Okay, when is xi 0? Xi is 0 when either ith position is a man, or probability that there is women in both the I plus 1 and I minus 1 positions. Okay, so I plus 1 and I minus 1 are both filled by women, and ith position is also filled by women. So 1 minus probability ith position is man. So any of the positions can be filled with a man with probability 5 by 10. And this probability, okay, so these are three consecutive, three adjacent positions being filled by women. So in that case, this particular woman is not next to a man, right? So that is what I want to eliminate from my probabilities. So three consecutive positions. So I minus 1 is filled by women, that is 5 by 10. Then ith is also filled by women, that is 4 by 9. And then I plus 1 is also filled by women, so that is 3 by 8. And then you can cancel things out. So this becomes 2 here, 3 here, and 2 here. So that is 1 minus half minus 1 by 12. So that is half minus 1 by 12. So that is 5 by 12. Okay. So now let us look at all the numbers. So if I plot all the 10 positions, okay, so now the edge positions will take a value 1 with probability 5 by 18 each, and each of these positions will be 5 by 12. These are all 5 by 12, and then we have another 5 by 8, right? So the total, so summation of each xi is going to be 2 times 5 by 18 plus 8 times 5 by 12. So this is 5 by 9 plus 3 and 2 here, so 10 by 3. So that is 5 by 9 plus 30 by 9, so that is 35 by